Hello guys, hello everyone. I'm Lohit Jindal, founder and director at Cortex Classes. So guys, I want to talk about one of the major stage in the preparation of Maths Olympiad, and that is the later end of the part, right? When you're preparing for IQM in the last one and a half month, right? So you have done your most of your preparation, but the last and very important aspect is the test series. So guys, last के one and a half month में you should be having a very good test practice which would help you crack the IUQM exam, है ना? बिकॉज आपको टेस्टिंग एनवायरनमेंट में ही पता लगता है कि आप एक्चुअली कितना स्कोर कर पाते हो. एंड वी आर हेयर टू एग्जैक्टली सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू गाइज. So guys, we have started a test series for IUQM. Let me show you. So we have launched a test series for IUQM 2026-27, right? Which contains 8 part tests and 10 full tests. So guys, the pattern of the part tests is cumulative tests. Like starting from the first chapter, you'll keep on going to the like second test में first और second test का syllabus आएगा, third में first, second, third topic का, and so on. So you build up your concepts toward the full tests once, right? So once the 8 part tests are done, you have given the 8 part tests, then you can give on to the 10 full tests. So in total guys, we are giving you 18 full tests in this test series. Okay, so let me show you the schedule quickly. So guys, this is the part test schedule, right? As I told you, okay, so these are the dates. You can see it here. I've posted them on the course page as well. You can see it there as well. Okay, and after that guys, I'm showing you this is the syllabus for the part test. As you can see guys, these are cumulative tests. So ऐसा नहीं होगा कि फर्स्ट सेकंड टेस्ट देने के बाद जब तक आप लाइक फिफ्थ सिक्स टेस्ट तक आओगे तो पुराना ऐसा नहीं है कि वो यूज नहीं हो रहा होगा, राइट? सो इट इज cumulative टेस्ट. So it will build you up till the full tests. Okay, and then this is a full test schedule when the test will open up on the portal. So guys, the test series is starting from the 15th of July. Okay, so I hope we have made this test series, है ना? बहुत मेहनत से हमने ये टेस्ट सीरीज क्रिएट करी है गाइस. So with the hope that it helps you guys, okay, with your preparation for IUQM, and that's why we have priced it reasonably, very reasonably. Okay, so the price is 1000 rupees, but in the initial launching guys, if you use the IUQM test 50 course coupon code, then you will get flat 50% off. So the price would be somewhere around 500 rupees. Okay, plus some internet handling charges, very nominal, so around about 500 rupees. So in these 500 rupees, you'll be getting a total of 18 tests so that you get the full practice for IUQM. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys will make the most of it. Okay, so all the best, and the link is given in the description. So if you want to give this test series, you can buy it there. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye guys. Take care. All the best.